He's been a role model for us getting out of our own way and dreaming what is possible for Cleveland.
He's genuine, and from a mission standpoint, he is a crusader.
He's just so welcoming of conversation and communication around these issues that he cares so passionately about.
I really appreciate the level of support that he's provided me and my organization.
On behalf of our CMHA residents, our Board of Commissioners, I want to thank him for all the service that he's done in our facilities. Strong leadership is something that is truly needed in this community, and Francis provided that all the time.
The fact that he is a family man, a father first, is another feather in his cap and a testimony to his character. Francis came into Cleveland 10 years ago with transformation on his mind.
There's a word in Yiddish that I think perfectly describes Francis. The word is mensch, and he is a true mensch in every sense of the word, and it's been my pleasure to know him, to work with him, and to call him my friend.
Brilliant.
Servant leader.
Visionary.
Cool. I wish I could be as cool as Francis.
Passionate. Empowering.
And coming back to Cleveland.
He really forces you to think big, and to think big for the community, and to think big on behalf of the clients.
It's all about the hair. I mean, every couple months, my man has got a new do. Sometimes he goes with the twisty look, sometimes it's a retro afro, or sometimes it's a close-cropped college boy look. For those of us who are follically challenged, we just envy what Francis does.
I truly think he's the best dressed person in Cleveland, so we need someone coming up behind him with some great socks.
As Francis and I did our big bro, little bro gig, I began to get a little bolder in my attire. Well, this is my after Francis, big bro attire.
Francis, for all you've done, thank you.
You have certainly left your mark on Cleveland, and you've left a wonderful and amazing legacy for those of us to follow and to carry on.
He's been an excellent leader and yet a phenomenal team player, and you don't always get both those traits in the same individual.
I think Francis is a little bit too young to retire to Florida. I mean, maybe he likes to eat at 5 o'clock every day. It's none of my business, but certainly wish him well. He's earned it. He's done a tremendous job, and everybody will miss him.
Francis, regardless of where you go on your next adventure, keep that ever-positive spirit, that ability to dream the big vision, that perseverance about execution and what quality really means every day.
You've been a wonderful leader and friend. Thanks so much for the years of service with us in Cleveland.
Francis, thank you so much for all that you've done for our city, our community, for me personally as a mentor, as a board member at the St. Luke's Foundation. We will miss you and treasure what you've left here in Cleveland.
On behalf of the McGregor Foundation, thank you for working with us in supporting seniors in need and those who serve them in Northeast Ohio.
Francis, I can't imagine Cleveland without you. You're the best. You've been my hero. God bless you. Good luck.
Cleveland is better for having had Francis here. But Francis, we are going to miss you.
To me, Francis was first a community partner, then a boss, always a mentor, and one of my favorite partners in crime. But most importantly, and for nearly a decade, he's been my friend. Thank you, Francis, for inspiring all of us to live the mission of Care Alliance each and every day.
Francis truly believes that we should do unto others as we would have them do unto us. And he reminds all of us constantly that today or tomorrow, we could be just like the people we're taking care of.
I've always said that a great city will be measured by the condition and well-being of its people, and particularly the least of us. Your commitment and the work that you do is an example of that. So congratulations on a decade of service to the city of Cleveland and its communities.